Hi guys, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix multiple issues with the domain on Shopify. So if you have connected a domain name recently, or you already connected the domain and it's been a long time and you still have the errors whenever you click on the domain name, you see multiple errors. Now, in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can fix this problem, okay? So all you need to do, guys, you want to watch this video till the end so you don't make any mistake in this process, and let's get started right now. Now, I would highly appreciate if you can drop a like on this tutorial. Let's get started right now. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and you want to click on domains, okay? Now, you want to click on the domain you have a problem with, okay? So if it displays an error, like multiple errors like this, error fetching domain error record, or whatever error you see here, like usually like 4 errors or 5, keep in mind that if you just connected your domain name recently, like it's been longer than 48 hours, the errors will appear here, okay? If you just connected your domain name, even if the domain name has no problem, it's connected successfully to your Shopify, you will see these errors, and they will clear on your own after 48 hours. Like even Shopify says here, if you notice that DNS updates can require up to 48 hours to take effect, okay? So you will have to wait 48 hours for these errors to clear on your own. So there is nothing to worry about. Your website will work perfectly. You can just send your website to your customers or your friend to check if everything works, and usually everything is going to work perfectly. So you just need to wait for these errors to clear on your own, okay? Now, in case that you have these errors for a very long time, I would say like for a week or 2 weeks, then what you guys need to do, you want to make sure that you go to the third party where you have purchased your domain, for example, GoDaddy. You can just go and click on check the DNS settings and make sure the domain is pointing to Shopify, okay? So this is really copy the exact screen. As you can see, I have taped this here. So you just need to copy this, make sure the CNAME record, you want to add your shop.myshopify.com, okay? And also here the Shopify IPv6 address, you want to enter this address, okay? Enter these exact IP addresses here because they are pointing to Shopify, okay? You want to go to where you have purchased your domain, for example, GoDaddy, or there are a lot of third party providers. Now you can also purchase a domain name through Shopify if you want to do that, but the same problem is going to happen. So these errors will appear. You just need to wait 48 hours to take effect, okay? So even if you see here needs attention, just ignore that because these errors will disappear after 48 hours, okay? If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment, and see you guys in the next tutorial. Please drop a like and see you in the next video.